Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Chipotle chili sloppy joes. I've started off the recipe by heating up my skillet, and I'll be adding in 1 pound of lean ground beef. And I'll be browning this up with 1 jalapeno, half of a cup of green bell pepper, and 1 cup of Vidalia onions. After sauteing for 5 minutes, the onions are transparent and the hamburger is cooked all the way through. I'll be adding in 2 chipotle peppers that I've chopped up, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of packed brown sugar, a half of a cup of water, and a half of a cup of chili sauce. Now that this has come up to a boil, I've gone ahead and reduced my heat down to low, and I'm going to allow it to simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes to allow the sauce to thicken up. I'm serving my sloppy joes on top of toasted Kaiser rolls, but hamburger buns would work well here also. Now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. This is an excellent little sloppy joe recipe. The chipotle peppers really bring a nice smokiness to it. There's a subtle heat to it, just enough to warm your mouth a little bit, but not overly spicy. I think it could use just a little hint of salt and maybe a little bit of black pepper, but overall I would definitely make this again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.